morning students and welcome to all. How are you students? Let's start a lecture of computer class 3. Students, now open the page number 18. On page number 18, chapter number 3, Introduction to MS Paint. In this chapter, you will learn what MS Paint is, how to open MS Paint, what the components of the MS Paint window are, what the different tools in MS Paint are, how to save a new drawing, how to open a saved drawing, how to create a new drawing, how to close a drawing. Paint is a program that comes as a part of the Windows operating system. It allows to draw and color sceneries, greeting cards, posters, or any other picture using various tools. How to open a paint window? Step 1. Step 1. Type paint in search box next to the start button. Step 2. Click on the paint option. The paint window will appear. Components of the paint window: quick access toolbar, ribbon, drawing area. These are the components of paint window. Quick access toolbar. This bar contains button we use most often while working paint. By default, it contains the following buttons. This button shows to save a drawing, to undo a previous action, to redo a previous action. Ribbon. The ribbon has 3 tabs: File, Home and View. File. This tab opens a list of options to create a new drawing, open an existing drawing and save drawing. Home tab. This tab contains tools to draw and paint pictures. It is divided into 5 groups: clipboard, images, tools, shapes and colors. View tab. This tab contains buttons that lets us work on our drawing in different views. Tools in paint. The first tool is pencil tool. Step 1. Click on the pencil tool in the tools group. Step 2. Click size to choose the line thickness. Step 3. Click on color 1 in the colors group and then choose a color. Step 4. Move the pointer to the drawing area and make your drawing. Fill with color tool. We can use this tool to fill color in any closed shape. Step 1. Click on the fill with color tool in the tools group. Step 2. Click on color 1 and choose a color in the colors groups. Step 3. Left click the mouse inside the area you want fill. Text tool. The text tool is used to type any text in your drawing. Step 1. Click on the text tool in the tools group. Step 2. Drag the pointer to the drawing area. Step 3. Choose a font style and size for the text from the font group. Step 4. Click on color 1 and choose the color for text. Step 5. Type the text. After you have completed typing the text, click anywhere outside the text box. Eraser tool. The eraser tool helps to erase any part of a drawing. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool. Step 2. Click on the size to choose the eraser size. Step 3. Move the pointer to the drawing area and erase the picture that you want to erase. Color picker tool. The color picker tool allows us to copy a color from one area of a drawing to another area of the same drawing. Step 1. Click on the color picker tool. Step 2. Click the color in your picture that you want to copy. The picked color is set as the foreground color or color 1. Step 3. Use this color to fill any shape using fill with color tool. Magnify tool. The magnify tool is used to make the drawing look bigger. Step 1. Click on the magnify tool. Step 2. Drag the pointer to the drawing area. Click on the part of the drawing you want to magnify. The drawing becomes bigger in size. Students, on page number 25 here is a practice zone is given. Students, do this matching with the help of previous pages. Brushes tool. The brushes tool can be used to draw lines and curves with different looks and effects. Shapes tool. The shapes group has many tools that allows us to draw various shapes. Using these shapes, we can create various objects in our drawing. So students, read it carefully. Take care. Goodbye.